Dirty lens.
So this is just fine. Just a little bit. Just a little bit of drop off the wall. I imagine I would have siding, right? So they have no siding. And so with this, it makes this piece makes it harder for the water to get up there. But then we'll have siding, which will be, moving the water away from the house. So hopefully that'll work.
Yeah, it's probably even okay with flat because if the water gets in there and flows here, so it can touch.
Huh?
This will be probably different, but
Yeah, the distance will be different. But if the curve is the same, then we may be able to still cut that curve.
Touch the beat.
Yeah, that's the end point. So just measure that distance and
How far did they measure?
oh yeah.
How far from the?
We haven't measured that yet.
Yeah.
What are you doing there?
Just lubricating my tool. It is important because otherwise it gets rusted and all that stuff. So you You're wearing your gloves?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Uh-oh. Did you glue it?
No, not yet. I'm just seeing if it fits.
Well, there's a crack in between.
Yeah, I know. I need to make another. Cut it up a little bit.
I do not shake disgusting hands. Oh, so I'm disgusting now? I can't get that quote out of my Larry David's so funny.
Yeah, he's hilarious. Let's get this sheet up there. Now here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna lift it. Notice there, here you had support. There is no support at the bottom here.
Okay.
What that means is you're really gonna have to work hard to keep it on there.
Alrighty.
Okay.
Oh dear.
Yeah, you can do it.
I hope so.
I will give you a hand. You'll be able to do it. But
We did a pretty good job today.
yes, we did. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. When I ask for it, make sure to hand me my gun, okay? I'm gonna ask you for my gun here pretty soon, okay? get us some nutrients, some healthy chlorophyll. So first, we take an avocado and we're going to cut it directly in half, like so. Yes. Then you stab the seed and you turn it so it comes out easily. And you squeeze the avocado like you would a lemon wedge, and all that avocado comes out.
That's mango juice?
That's mango puree. It's a nice hot day today, so we will add ice.
So it's spinach.
A whole bunch of spinach. From there we'll add a few grapes. Perfect. If they have been fully ripe. One whole thing is fine. Okay. A whole lot of sweetness in here, but I get that delicious smoothie.
Yum. Bachimor. Santé. Santé.
Good. It's good.
Mango.
Good.
It's real juicy and real healthy too.